Hey, what's up, Dividend Nomads? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I'm not my regular location today. I'm in the Philippines, actually sitting here hanging out with my son today. But today, I'm going to take y'all into my high yield portfolio. I'm going to show you what's going on inside of the portfolio, as well as how much I just got paid. And I'm also going to take you into my spreadsheet and show you what's going on behind the scenes. So that's probably the most important part, more important than what's actually in the portfolio. But I'm going to cover all that with you guys today. But I'm going to do it really quick so I can get back to spending time with my son. We're about to go play some basketball. I'm going to have to whoop his butt in a game of basketball real quick. So let's get into it. Let me record the screen on my phone, take you into my account. Okay, so let's do this. 3, 2, 1. Bam. All right, so here we are in my Charles Schwab. I will refresh it for you. This is Saturday here in the Philippines, and it's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. As you can see at the top of the screen right there. So right here in my account, you can see right now this account is valued at $70,843, and you can see I've got $8,255 in cash. So we're going to take a look at the positions, how much I got paid, and then we'll dive into the spreadsheet and see the important stuff. So let's get into it. View all the positions. So as you can see right here at the very top, I've got Misty, MSTY, 1,082 shares. I've got XDTE, 457 shares. I've got QDTE, 310 shares. YBTC, only 102. And QQQI, this is a brand new position for me, only 50 shares. Then you can see at the bottom down here, I've got SWVXX, which is a money market fund. And this is just where I store extra cash so I can get some interest on it. And then you can see I've got another 3,200 in just cash that I can use right now. So now that you know that, let's have a look at how much I got paid first, and then we'll take a look at the important stuff. So let me go to the history, and here we are on my dividends. So far this month, I'm going to share what we've got for the month of July. So you can see here, July the 5th, XDTE paid me $86.60. You can see why it's on there twice, because it's got a negative there, because it's actually on drip. So that one basically reinvested back into itself. That's why you see it twice. I didn't get paid twice. And then below that we have QDTE, $67, and below that YBTC paid me $28. Now these three, they pay every single Friday, so these are going to pay me multiple times this month. This was just the first payment. And if you look here on July the 7th, which was Monday, MSTY paid me $1,338, and then on July the 10th, YBTC paid me another $31.73, and then July the 11th, which was yesterday, XDTE paid me $115, and QDTE paid me $73.52. So that was just this month so far alone. But I'm going to take you into the spreadsheet and show you how all this looks like and how it all works out when you actually see behind the scenes, so you can see what's really going on instead of just a bunch of positions and numbers. So I'm going to record the screen on my computer and show you guys this information. So let's go 3, 2, 1. Bam. All right. So here we are in my spreadsheet, and you can see, I'll make it bigger for you so you can see it. As you can see here, the positions are the same. We got MSTY. See, the number of shares are the same. QQQI, XDTE, QDT, YBTC. See, all the numbers of the shares, everything's the same. I track everything with 100% accuracy and transparency. And this is my cost average, which is not really important to you guys because it matters, the price you buy it at, not what I buy it at. So, but this has all the information there. So we're going to go over here and look at how it's actually performing. So this is the most important part right here, are the returns. So let me get this all on the screen for you guys, man. It's hard to see in case you're on a mobile phone or something. All right, so hopefully you guys can see that. So you can see right here, the top one, MSTY. Total return is $11,971. So if I sold this position right now, I would walk away with almost $12,000 more than I started with in this position. And you can see that's up 45.9%. So nice return on that one. QQQI, like I said, a brand new position for me. This one, the market returns positive 32. Total returns only $46 because I've only got one payment from them. And right now that's only up 1.79%, but brand new, so give it some time. XDTE, you can see here, this one, total return is very small. This is a relatively new position, and I'm trying to scale it up. But you can see this is the one that pays every week. it's up 3.05%. Now this one, because it's so low, like only 3%, it is on drip, and I'm reinvesting all of this right now. But the ones that are 4% or higher, I don't drip. I just take that money and put it in my pocket. So that's how I manage that. So next one you see QDTE. It's noisy out there, some dogs. This one up 9.79, and that's up 9%. So this one, like I said, it's not on drip. So all this money is just going right into my pocket every month. And the same for Misty at the top up there. And then the last one is YBTC. Again, you can see this one's up 1,400 bucks, and that's 34.6%. So this one's up a whole lot also. And this one, I'm also just keeping this money and putting it in my pocket or buying more stuff with it. So that's pretty much what I do there. And if you look down here at the bottom, you can see so far I've made $15,559 since January in this portfolio. So not too bad. It's 21.3% return. So the total return is pretty good, 21%, not bad. And you see my market return is only minus 2%. So the dividends outweigh the price, you know, by a lot. So let's go check out the dividend log, and this shows you exactly how much I got paid. So you can see here, Misty, I'll put it up here for you. In July, that's this month, they paid me $1,338. And you can see XDTE paid me $201 so far. I will get 2 more payments from them. And then QDTE paid me $140. Again, I'm going to get 2 more payments from those guys. And YBTC paid me $59.85. And they're going to pay me again 2 more times as well. So right now, so far, for the month of July, this portfolio has paid me right here $1,746. So already almost $2,000, and I still have 3 stocks that are going to pay me, you know, 6 more payments on top of this. So we should be getting close to $3,000 this month in this portfolio, not counting the other ones. So we're on track to hit 3,000 this month. We're pretty close to it. So happy with that. And that's really what's going on inside the portfolio. And that's all I want to share with you guys today. So I'm going to get back to spending time with my son here and whoop his butt in some basketball. And then stay tuned for tomorrow when I give you guys an update on my Roth IRA, my retirement account that I'm actually restructuring. And so I'll share with you guys how I'm doing that and what's going on inside of there. So I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Anything you want to see, just like and comment down below and let me know. And I'll try to get a video out for you guys. And I'll see you on the next one. Y'all take care.